Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Etsy affiliate links through affiliate networks, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate Etsy affiliate links through affiliate networks, start by selecting the right affiliate network. Popular choices include ShareASale, Awin, and Rakuten Marketing. Create an account with your chosen affiliate network. Provide the necessary information, such as your name, email, and website URL. Once your account is approved, navigate to the Marketplace section of the affiliate network. Search for Etsy in the Marketplace. Click on the Etsy program to learn more about the terms and conditions. Review the commission rates and payout structure. If satisfied, apply to join the Etsy affiliate program. After approval, find affiliate links for specific Etsy products. Use the search feature to locate products that resonate with your audience. Once you find a product, click on the Get Link option. Customize the link if the option is available. Next, copy the affiliate link provided for the product. To promote your links, choose the platforms where you will share them. This can include your blog, social media, or email newsletters. When creating content, embed the affiliate links where relevant. Ensure that you disclose the affiliate nature of your links to comply with regulations. Monitor your performance through the metrics provided by the affiliate network. This will help you understand which products are generating the most interest. Consider seasonal trends and popular items to optimize your strategy. Regularly update your content to include a variety of Etsy products. Engage with your audience to understand their preferences better. Continuously learn from your analytics to improve your affiliate marketing efforts. By following these steps, you can effectively activate and promote Etsy affiliate links through affiliate networks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.